Envision a world where you can download an entire movie in seconds, allowing you to start your cinematic experience almost instantly. Picture also being able to engage in gaming without interruptions, experiencing smooth, lag-free action no matter where you are, whether you're at home, commuting, or traveling. This seamless connectivity transforms entertainment into an effortless experience, making it possible to enjoy your favorite films and games without the frustration of waiting or buffering. Reliance Jio, the telecommunications giant owned by Mukesh Ambani, has recently introduced its groundbreaking 5.5G network. This new technology is expected to significantly enhance mobile connectivity and internet speeds, building on the existing 5G infrastructure. With impressive features such as ultra-low latency and improved capacity to handle massive data traffic, the 5.5G network aims to transform the digital landscape in India, facilitating advancements in various sectors such as smart cities, healthcare, and entertainment. This launch marks a pivotal moment in the evolution of wireless communication, positioning Reliance Jio at the forefront of next-generation technology. This groundbreaking technology offers astonishing download speeds of up to 10 gigabits per second, GBps, revolutionizing the way you experience the internet. With such rapid speeds, streaming high-definition content, online gaming, and large file downloads become seamless and almost instantaneous. Whether you're working from home, engaging in video conferences, or enjoying entertainment with family, this advancement significantly enhances overall connectivity and performance, making lag and buffering a thing of the past. With the introduction of Jio's 5.5G technology, the notion of rapid downloads is set to transform from a mere aspiration into a tangible reality. This cutting-edge network will significantly enhance internet speeds, making it possible for users to download large files, stream high-definition content, and engage in seamless online gaming like never before. Jio's advancements promise to elevate the overall digital experience, eliminating long waits and providing instant access to the information and entertainment we crave. The network provides impressive upload speeds of up to 1 gigabit per second, enabling high-speed and efficient data transfer. This high-speed capability allows users to upload large files, stream high-definition content, and engage in activities that require significant bandwidth with minimal lag and quick upload times. Whether for professional use or personal enjoyment, this level of performance enhances overall connectivity and productivity. Experience uninterrupted connectivity, even in densely populated environments, with the latest advancements in component carrier aggregation technology. This innovative approach combines multiple frequency bands to enhance your network connection, ensuring seamless performance and reducing the likelihood of dropped connections, even when you're in the midst of bustling crowds. Say goodbye to frustrating moments of disconnection and enjoy a reliable, high-speed internet experience wherever you go. Jio has entered into a strategic partnership with OnePlus, marking a significant milestone in the telecommunications and smartphone industries. As a result of this collaboration, the OnePlus 13 series has become the first smartphone lineup to offer support for the advanced 5.5G technology. This new capability promises faster data speeds, enhanced connectivity, and improved network efficiency, positioning the OnePlus 13 series at the forefront of the mobile market. The partnership aims to leverage Jio's cutting-edge network infrastructure in tandem with OnePlus's innovative smartphone features to deliver an unparalleled user experience. Indian users will now notice a distinct 5G icon displayed on their smartphones, signifying that their devices are seamlessly connecting to the next-generation 5G network. This feature allows for automatic connection, enhancing the user experience by ensuring that users can access faster data speeds and improved connectivity without needing to manually search for a network. With the introduction of this icon, users can easily identify when they are operating on the advanced 5G network, providing them with a clearer understanding of their connectivity status. Prepare yourself for an unparalleled mobile experience powered by Jio's advanced 5.5G network, paired with the cutting-edge features of the OnePlus 13 series. This combination promises lightning-fast internet speeds, seamless connectivity, and exceptional performance, ensuring you can browse, stream, and game without interruptions. Discover the incredible capabilities of the OnePlus 13, designed to elevate your everyday mobile activities to new heights, all while benefiting from Jio's robust and expansive network coverage.